In today's video, we'll be learning how to create this image carousel in Figma. My name is Jacqueline and this is Secure Designs. In the first frame, select the last text of the top text and duplicate it. Then select the top text and slide it to the top. Once the duplicate appears, change the text to street. Select the top text and move it to a default position. Select the last text of the bottom text and duplicate it. Then select the bottom text frame and move it upwards. Once the duplicate appears, type swagger. Then select the bottom text and move it to its original position again. Copy the entire header text group in frame 1 and replace it with that of frame 2. Change the bar text from 1 to 2, then increase the bar length by adding 54. Select the first description, set its position to a -60 and turn off its opacity. Select the second description, set its position to 0 and turn on its opacity. Now, select the description group, the header group and the scroll indicator group and copy them. Replace them with their respective elements on the third frame. Change the number in front of the scroll indicator to 3. Increase the length of the scroll bar by adding 54 once again. Move to the second frame and select the top text and drag it towards the top. Select the bottom text and drag it towards the top as well. Now, go back to the third frame and repeat this process. Select the second description, set its position to -60 and its pass-through value to 0. Select the third description, set its position to 0 and its pass-through value to 100. Once again, select the header text group, the scroll bar indicator group and the description group and copy them and paste them in the next frame. Select the top text group again and drag it towards the top and select the bottom text group again and drag it towards the top. Increase the length of the scroll indicator again by adding 54. Select the third description, set its position to a -60 and its pass-through value to 0. Then select the fourth description, set its position to 0 and its pass-through value to 100. Copy the header, scroll indicator and description groups and paste it in the next frame. Select the top text and push it upwards, then select the bottom text and push it upwards as well. Select the fourth description, set its position to a -60 and set its pass-through value to 0. Select the fifth description, set its position to 0 and its pass-through value to 100. Switch to prototype. Connect the right arrow button to the second frame. Change the animation type to custom, set the duration to 400 and adjust the graph as seen on the screen. Drag the connection from the left arrow to the first frame using the same settings. Then drag the connection from the left arrow to the third frame using the same settings. Repeat this process till you get to the last frame. In the last frame, we'll drag the connection from the frame itself to the first frame. Then we'll change the trigger to after delay with a 1 millisecond delay. Then we'll switch from Smart Animate to Instance. Before we preview our design, we need to set the scroll bar length of the last frame to 54. Change the number of the third frame to 4. And then change the number on the final frame to 1. To preview the design, select the first frame, either press Shift Spacebar or switch to Prototype and click on the play button beside the frame. Voila! There you have it, our image carousel animation in Figma. If you found this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe for more designs. And don't forget to watch more videos on the channel. Thank you for watching.